Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to create one of the finest forms of stacked bar chart that has been discussed in multiple forums. Thanks to Flerlage Twins and Andrew Kribal and Sebastian for creating their own versions. And let us go ahead and create. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because we regularly post videos related to interview questions, scenarios, and tips like this. So now, how do we create generally? If at all we want to. So first thing maybe I'll take my segment wise sales that I want to create. Okay, and then I'll drop it on label, sorry, here on row shelf. And then if at all we want to create this tagged bar chart, we simply take this and drop it on color shelf. This is what we have seen so far. Maybe some might customize it, even something like this. Maybe they can drop it on this will create again a different form of chart. Okay, but I'm not doing that. Okay, so let us remove this. And I also don't need this on color shelf because we are going to improvise that. I'm taking this. Okay, and I'm just taking my segment and dropping it on color shelf. Now for each region we have colors here. Now what I'm doing is I'm using or leveraging the concept of adding totals here because I want one space. That's optional that you can do. But if at all you want to do, you can simply click on analysis, go to totals and click on add subtotals. You get one standard bar here. Okay, because I've already covered here, colored here in white. It is by default taking that in white color here. Okay, that is simply your total part here. Now we need something, background like something like this which can give us colors, right? How can I do that, right? So for that we need a simple calculation that can give us window sum. So I've written a calculation called as window sum of sales. Okay, so all we need is we need to bring this into view and drop it here. So you will get something like this. Okay, and all you need is now do a dual axis, do some basic formatting like convert this into bar chart. Okay, right, and then go to window sum tab here. From this, remove both of them from here, increase the size to the maximum possible. We get gray color, right? Now we need to adjust the color also so that you can see. Now here behind is what you are seeing, but we need to rearrange them. So I'm moving this front. We get labels on top, but still we need to adjust the computation. So I'm clicking on this, and maybe by segment if I do, this is what we have got. Right now, maybe we can adjust the color even better. Okay, something like this. Now all we also need to synchronize the axis and adjust the bars of your sales. So this is how you get chart, stacked bar chart, updated stacked bar chart. Now you might be wondering how to get labels. Again, for that also you can write a custom calculation like I have written. Oh, because we have three here. If I simply go ahead and drop it here, like say region I'm trying to drop. Okay, what is happening? It is repeating on everything, right? So we don't want that to happen. Okay, maybe for a specific region I want to do. Okay, like even if I drop a region here, observe how it is behaving. It is printing for all of that, right? So we don't want that only. So what I've done is whatever the center item is there for corporate, I have written the label or sales value, something like that. Okay, so if I click on label here, okay, so in this we can go ahead and click on this, so we get internal marks. And maybe we can format that to only show like however we need. I'll just click on this and format. And I need display in thousands, and I don't need this. Okay, this is your one form, and you need to change the font of this also. Okay, maybe to white so that you don't see. Okay, so this is one way. Now we need only on top here so that we can show totals. So what I've done is I've written this label which will display only for corporate. So what will happen in this case is instead of printing for all of this, only for one value it will display. So I'll just stop it here. Now it will be like on the center. So if I go and arrange, something like this. Okay, this is how your advanced stacked bar chart will look like. So that's it from my side in this video. I hope you have learned something new. If it does, don't forget to share your valuable feedback and in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and have a good day.